People care about how they look and their body image. They care about whether they're fit or not and have the perfect body. However, everyone has different understandings of fit and normal. There is no definition. Many things can affect the way people think about their body. What strangers comment on their social media posts, the things their friends say in usual conversations. Many people follow the crowd because they want to be as normal as possible. They want to be thin and blend in, not stand out because they're fat, and this is important for them to conform. If people are having issues about the way their body looks, they should talk to a counselor or get therapy so they can live a healthier life. Likes and comments on a social media post can impact the way people look at themselves. Lots of young people, especially teenagers, want to look perfect. To have a better looking body, they'll do anything to make their selfies and photos look better. On Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and other social media, people post pictures and videos of themselves. They ask others how pretty or good looking they are, and they comment and rate each other. But images and videos online show thin women, and this leads to body dissatisfaction. Also, when they see posts and pictures of others with what they think of as the perfect body, they want to look like them. The pictures that they see doesn't have to be of a celebrity. It can just be a friend or someone they know. This might be the reason leading to why in 2017, 90% of teenagers ranging from 15 to 17 years old wish they can change at least one part of their body. Many people think of thin body as the key to success, but likes and followers are only a marker of how popular you are. And this is usually related to how you look. A website called Formspring.me is a place where people can ask questions and receive feedback. Receiving positive feedback comment makes an individual feel validated, but the world can be negative. Feedback that people receive aren't always positive, which can result to bullying. And there's had been accident that caused death. For instance, in 2010 March, a 17-year-old committed suicide. The events were all results of serious bullying, and they're not the only ones. Even though social media is a way to communicate with other people, it has had negative impact on people's thoughts of their body image. What friends and others say and think about you can impact your thoughts on body image. In the world, more teenage girls think they're overweight than the percent that actually is. Only 25% girls are overweight, but 60% believe they are. In an interview with 3 friends, one complains about how she's overweight. However, her other friends disagree with her opinion and complains about themselves being overweight. She argues back and tries to prove herself correct by giving all sorts of examples. People like to complain about their weight even though they might not be heavy. None of the 3 girls in the interview were overweight, and they just assumed they were by comparing themselves with people who are thinner than them to make themselves feel bad. Out of 1,000 people surveyed, 49% say conversations with friends impact what they think about their body. Even what friends say aren't always positive. Nearly half of people out of 1,000 have heard peers say, "Are you sure you should wear that?" Just a normal conversation with a friend can change how you look at yourself. Sometimes a friend isn't trying to hurt you, but what they say can make you feel bad. Some people are afraid of being fat. They think that if they're fat, they're not normal and there's something wrong with them. Lots of people don't want others to know that they want the standard and perfect body image, so they try to hide it. Out of 1,000 people surveyed, 39% say that they buy clothes online rather than going to the store because they don't want to try clothes in public fitting rooms. 740 people go to a beach less because they have to wear their swimsuits. Staying at home can provide comfort for some people. They feel better staying at home and might think this is healthier for them. But one day they'll have to come out and face the world, so they can't hide forever. Now, even younger kids are beginning to care about their body image. In fact, in 2017, 80% of 10-year-olds in the United States are afraid of being fat. And out of that, 42% of 1st to 3rd graders want to be thinner. According to Keep It Real, 80% of 10-year-old American girls are on a diet because they think they're not fit enough. Young children only in elementary school also care about their body image now. They even go on diets, and this is what causes a variety of eating disorders later on during teenage years. Some girls use distorting mirrors so they can look thinner. However, using mirrors is only another way from hiding the truth. They don't realize that what they see is not their real self. Body image is a fear people have. People want to hide from it, but it is starting to influence young kids. People shouldn't hide when they need help, especially if it's something related to your health. Some people are hiding their eating disorder because they don't want others to know there's something wrong with their health. However, it is important to let others know that they need help if there's an issue with the person's body image. They should talk to a doctor or counselor who can help them with the problems they're having. The counselor can guide and assist them to manage their feelings, and they can change the patient's focus. For example, finding another hobby. Therapy is an excellent way to help body image issues. It is said that through therapy, we can find out any concerns related to our body. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, has been shown as the most effective for treating body image problems, particularly for individuals which body image had brought a negative impact to. CBT is a short-term treatment which helps people see the relationship between beliefs, thoughts, feelings, and behavior patterns. Therefore, patients are encouraged to keep a diary. This way, it encourages the person to become more aware of both negative and positive thoughts and emotions, not just focusing on their body. Different research results have shown that CBT works better than other treatments, such as individual therapy, group therapy, etc. People care about their body image and the way they look. Girls, especially teenagers, care the most. Social media has a huge impact on an individual's body image. The things friends tell you can affect your thoughts, and people don't want to stand out, they want to be normal. If there's a problem, find help. Go to counselors, attend therapy so you can be better. Young people today need to learn that they're an individual themselves, and they don't need to look like other people.